Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, we will explore a simple yet very important Verilog example that demonstrate how bitwise operations work when unknown values X are involved in the program. We will understand a basic Verilog module structure, perform operations like AND, OR, NOT, and XOR operations, learn how unknown state X propagate through the logic expression, analyze the final output step by step. So this concept is very useful for VLSI design, digital circuit and simulation debugging. So this is a simple Verilog HDL program. So in this program, as usual, we start module. Then test1 is represent module name. So here we have a two variable A and B. So these two variable consist of 4-bit value. So these two variable consist of 4-bit value. So let me assume A 3 down to 0. B value also 4-bit value. Let me represent array format 3 down to 0. So reg is the data type. A is the reg data type. 3 down to 0 A. So now A value is 4 tick B 101X. So A value is 101X. Then B value also 4-bit value. So B value is 0, 1, 0, 1. So B value consists of 0, 1, 0, 1. There is no unknown state. But A value, it consider the unknown state. So X is the unknown state. Then next one, Y is the output variable. So this variable also 4-bit value. Let me represent 3 down to 0. It also reg type of data type. Then initial begin. So it is the operation. So in this operation here mention A and B XOR not of A or B. So we will execute the operation one by one. So first I take the AND operation A and B. A and B. So A value is 1, 0, 1, don't care. B value is 0, 1, 0, 1. Now you apply the AND operation. It's a don't care value. So X and 1, the result is X. How? Let me consider X value is 0. So 0 and 1, the output is 0. Suppose X value, let me consider 1. 1 and 1, the output is 1. So whatever value present in X, the same value reflect on the output. So X 1. So don't care and 1. The result is don't care. Then 1. Next bit is 1. 1 and 0. Output is 0. 0 and 1. Output is 0. 1 and 0. Output is 0. So after doing this AND operation, you will get the result 0, 0, 0. Don't care. Then come to the next operation, not of A or B operation. So first I complement the A value. So A value is 1, 0, 1, don't care. So after taking 1's complement, so A value is 1, 0, 1, don't care. Then next operation is not of A. So after taking 1's complement, 0, 1, 0, don't care. So after complement the don't care, you will get the same value, don't care value. Now A value is 0, 1, 0, don't care. 0, 1, 0, don't care. B value is 0, 1, 0, 1. Let me apply the OR operation. So don't care 1, the result is 1. Because let me assume X value is 0. 0 or 1, the result is 1. Suppose X value is 1. 1 or 1, the result is 1. So don't care or 1, the result is 1. Then 0 or 0, output is 0, 1 or 1, output is 1, 0 or 0, output is 0. So after doing this operation, you will get the result 0, 1, 0, 1. So now these two values are making XOR operation. So first I write 0, 0, 0, don't care. So this output is equivalent to A and B. So this output is equivalent to not of A or B. So let me write here 0, 1, 0, 1. Then do the XOR operation. So don't care 1. The result is don't care because X value is 0. 0 XOR 1, output is 1. Suppose XOR value 1. 1 XOR 1, the output is 0. So we cannot predict the output value. So output values don't care. 0 XOR 0, 0. 0 XOR 1, 1. 0, 0. 0 XOR 0, 0. So after doing this operation, you will get the result 0, 1, 0, don't care. So this is the final response of the circuit. Then $display y equal to percentage b comma y. So whatever value present in y, that value display on the system. Then end in module. So this is the simple program. In this program, we represent the unknown state. So x is the unknown state. If you pass the unknown state, the response is like this 0, 1, 0, x. I hope you understand the concept very well. If you are watching first time in my video, kindly subscribe and support us to make a lot of videos. Thanks for watching my channel. Thank you.